Alrighty guys, welcome back. So it's time to announce the winner of the giveaway. I put this up November 9th, and I said I was going to announce the winner on December 1st. You can see on the bottom corner, it's December 1st. The snip was taken at about 10:45. You can see there's 147 shares on the post. So now I want to go and announce the winner. So this is the process that I used. I went to randomizer.org. I typed in my number from 1 to 147 for the number of shares that were on the page, and then this was the result that came up. So I went back into this, clicked on the share button, and then counted down the number of people, and the 45th person in that share post was Kevin Marksberry. So Kevin, congratulations. You can hit me up on the Facebook page or whatever you need to. Let me know what you want on the computer. We'll talk about that a little bit, and then what I'd like to do is, if it works out for you, get a little bit of an understanding of what your project is and do a follow-up video talking about that and how you're going to use the computer. So get a hold of me. Thanks for participating, and have a good day.